One of the coolest thing to do in Photoshop is the fire manipulation or fire effect. It's a little bit tricky, especially for beginners. But once you've learned the technique, you will realize it isn't really that hard. Hi, it's me again. Your robot teacher, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to do fire manipulation in Photoshop. I am using Photoshop 2020 here, but if you're using older versions, it's fine. So we have a photo here that we're going to use for the fire effect. If you want to download these pictures I used for practice, the link is in the description. So the first step is to look for a picture of a fire. I've already have a photo here and its link is also in the description if you want to download it. We're just going to drag this fire image into our project. Next we will change the blending mode of this fire image and see which one looks best. For this instance, it's the screen mode. Let's make this fire more bigger. Now we have this cool fire effect. But let's make it much cooler. Let's add an empty layer by clicking this icon here. Select your brush tool and pick a color that is similar to the color of fire. This will represent the glow of the fire. Let's put this glow layer under the fire layer. Change the blending mode of this layer until it looks good. For this instance, it looks good at soft light mode. Now, to make the color more vibrant, I'm going to duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Next we'll add color balance adjustment layer. So it will look more intense and fiery. To add adjustment layer, just go here and select which adjustment layer you want. In this case, I want to add color balance. Here we're just going to increase the yellow and red. But I don't want the color balance adjustment layer to affect the entire image. So using its masking here, I will invert it to black so it will become hidden. And then, using white brush I will reveal some parts of it. Next, select Dodge tool. And set the range to midtones. Using this tool, we're going to apply glow in his palm. So it will look realistic in that the glow is hitting the skin. Next, duplicate the fire layer. And then apply Gaussian blur. This will make the fire to appear soft and much realistic. Reduce the opacity of the duplicate layer into just 70%. I think I'll add more red color to this layer. I can see the edge of fire layer here. So I'm going to clean it. I will group these two fire layers and then I will put masking in it, so I can hide or erase the unwanted parts. To do that, select the two layers and then click this folder icon here. The two layers are now grouped. We can apply masking now by clicking this icon here. Then I will brush the unwanted parts using a black color to hide the unwanted parts. This is just like erasing. But instead of erasing, you're hiding it. I'm going to add brightness and contrast adjustment layer. And I will enhance its contrast. And that's it. We're done. But if you want to make it more cool, we can add fire sparks. You can look for fire sparks in Google. And just copy and paste it to your project like this. Then change the blending mode until it looks good. That's it. I hope you enjoy this video tutorial. If you have comments, just let me know below.